Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor J. De Los Reyes. Uh, my topic for this morning will be the so-called do-it-yourself digital TV antenna. Okay, my do-it-yourself digital antenna is this one here. Okay, so I got a flat metal galvanized iron. Okay. The start of the antenna is this one here. It goes up. And for me to connect this metal thing to the antenna that will act as a digital antenna, it will be here. The connection will be here. Okay? So what I did is that I tried to wound an aluminum wire over here. So this wound aluminum wire is now connected with this red thing here, this start of the antenna. And for me to connect this flat galvanized iron to this connection here, I bore a hole here and I tried to solder. I soldered this one here. The aluminum wire which goes through the hole was soldered to this galvanized iron. So this galvanized iron will be acting as a digital TV antenna. Okay? So it seems this rabbit thing here is now just a connection. Because the start of the antenna will be this one here. It is connected here. Okay? It's also connected here. Then it goes down here. Then it goes down to this red thing here. Then it goes back to the input of the digital tuner. Okay, so our do-it-yourself digital TV antenna is actually this one, just this one. I think this flat galvanized iron is compatible with digital frequency because rabbit antenna sometimes the signal on the screen goes on and off. But for this digital TV, this galvanized iron, I tested it a while ago. I tried to scan all the channels and actually it could scan or intercept 102 channels, meaning to say from channel number 1 to 102. That is from BHF to UHF digital signal. Okay, so let's try to see this one now. If it could get what you call this a digital signal that is stable enough for us to know if this flat galvanized iron will act as a good digital TV antenna. So I will be placing this one here at the back. Okay, I will place this one at the back now. Okay, and the digital tuner is now plugged in. It's alive now. So what's only missing here is actually to bring out the stable analog signal on the analog TV, because in here my display is an analog TV. From my previous discussion, the output of this digital tuner is actually analog and digital, and for the meantime I will be showing you an analog in which the digital the antenna that I'll be using will be this galvanized metal here. Okay, and I want to show you that by using this galvanized metal that will be acting as a digital antenna for digital signals, it will give us a stable video on the screen, audio and video. So I will now try to switch on the TV And actually this is now switched on to something like channel 2. Okay.
100% of tough stuck-on foods.
That's impressive.
And it works so well, it even keeps your filter clean.
As you can see it, the signal is very
The #1
stable.
recommended brand.
Okay.
Just scrape, load,
So
you're done.
this digital galvanized iron is actually works as a digital antenna. Okay.
How'd it happen?
Good morning from Los
It
Angeles.
never gets easier.
This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.
Look at these